A series of short stories about the wildlife on Honesty Lane Lagoon after the snowstorm. Many water-wading birds forage alone, but when food is scarce they will gather together at a marsh, pond, or lagoon. Great egrets primarily eat fish, but also eat amphibians, reptiles, birds, crustaceans, and small mammals. The great egret may be wading slowly or standing stock still, peering intently at the water as it searches for fish. Wood storks primarily eat fish and other aquatic invertebrates, but sometimes take seeds, amphibians, nestlings, and reptiles. They walk slowly through wetlands with their bill in the water, feeling for prey. When they feel something on their bill, they quickly snap it closed, swallowing the prey whole. Wood storks forage in wetlands, swamps, ponds, and marshes with water depths of around 4 to 12 inches. Small groups of storks forage in wetlands, frequently following each other one by one in a line. The great egret and the great blue heron have similar diets, so the egret moves to avoid conflict. A series of short stories about the wildlife on Honesty Lane Lagoon after the snowstorm.